Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 30th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you should perform your first concentration exercise based on the platform which you have constructed. This concentration session creates the groundwork for your work during the next month. Concentrate on the harmony of the world. You have to see it, discover it, and enjoy it, and admire it. At the same time, you can't help being amazed at how perfect the Creator has made everything. In other words, you admire the harmony of the world, which is explained by the perfection of the Creator. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3. 9-digit sequence. 1, 8, 5, 2, 1, 9, 3, 5, 1. Exercise number 3. The principle according to which the exercises of all the previous days were constructed may on this day be considered fundamental, because in February, which according to the current calendar has 28 or 29 days, this principle is transferred on the 30th day to the 1st, or the 2nd day of the following month. This unification manifests the eternal cycle of life. Discover eternity in all of your previous techniques aimed at achieving harmony. Find eternity in this simple example, where one month has 30 days, while another, February, has 28 or 29 days. And only through this one month, February, we have the unity of the number 30 with the numbers 1 or 2. And the unity of numbers that are different in nature and in origin is an expression of the unity and common origin of all things. Find this common origin in everything, in every element of information, in places where it is not immediately apparent, and where it is obvious, and where it can be seen immediately. And you will see, you will comprehend, you will feel, and this will elevate your spirituality.